Today we are going to learn third lesson of our English textbook. But before going to start actual lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. So, dear students, do you like to listen stories? Yes, I know everyone is telling me yes teacher, yes teacher. So you like to listen stories. Who tells you stories? Okay, mummy, papa, grandma, grandpa, uncle, auntie. So at your home, these people they tell you stories and you are asking them to say the stories every night. Yes or no? So, which type of stories do you like most? Okay, I know that girls like Barbie doll stories so much. Yes, no? Then boys they like kings and queen stories, and so many stories are there. So many types of stories are there, and you like to listen such a type of stories. Okay, so today in this third lesson we are going to learn the story of Tenali Raman. Have you heard the stories of Tenali Raman? These are very interesting stories. So you have to listen these stories. So today here we are going to learn one story. So our lesson name is Tenali Raman draws a picture. What is the name of our lesson? Tenali Raman draws a picture. So actually this is very interesting and funny story. Okay, when you will listen full story you will understand how funny it is. Okay, so students, let's start our story. So students, see your textbook page number 4, lesson number 3, Tenali Raman draws a picture. Before going to see the explanation, let's read the lesson. Keep your finger and listen carefully. Tenali Raman is standing in front of a drawing board. Messenger says, "Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you." Raman says, "Shh, don't disturb me. I'm busy." Messenger goes away. King says, walks in, given in the bracket. Okay, so king is coming inside the room of the Ramans and says, "Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing?" Raman says, "Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture." King says, "I see. We would like to see the picture." Raman says, "Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture." King says, "Is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain." Raman says, "I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass." King says, "Loads of grass? I can't see any grass here." Raman says, "Ah, that's because the cow ate it up." King says, "And where is the cow?" Raman says, "After eating up all the grass, the cow walked away, Your Majesty." King says, "Ha ha ha, Raman, you always make me laugh." Really funny skit it is. Okay, see here, Tenali Raman is in front of a drawing board and drawing something. So that time messenger comes and says, "Good afternoon, sir. The king wants you." Means king has called you and please come in the court. Raman says, "Shh, don't disturb me. I'm busy." But Raman was very busy because he was doing something on the drawing board. So he says, "Don't disturb me." Messenger goes away. Then the person who comes with the message, that is messenger, he goes away. King walks in. It's given in the bracket, means king comes inside the room of the Raman and says, Raman, I was waiting for you. What are you doing? King says, Raman, I was waiting for you in the court. I called you. I sent message. What are you doing? You're so busy. Then Raman says, Your Majesty, I was drawing a picture. Now here I have underlined Your Majesty. Your Majesty means what? It is a manner of addressing the king. Okay, whenever any king is there in front of us, we say that Your Majesty means what? We are addressing that king. Okay, I was drawing a picture. He says that I was drawing a picture, that's why I was very busy. Then king says, I see. We would like to see the picture. Then king asks that, yes, you're drawing picture, then let me see your picture. Raman says, Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. Then Raman shows something. You can see now in the picture here. In this picture, Raman is showing this drawing board to the king. King is watching to that drawing board, and the Raman tells that, Here, Your Majesty, this is my picture. Can you see anything on the picture, on the drawing board? No. Then king says, Is this a picture? What have you drawn, Raman? Please explain. Then the king doesn't understand anything and asks Raman that, Raman, what is there on your drawing board? I can't understand anything. Please explain me. Then Raman says, I was drawing a cow eating loads of grass. Raman is telling that I was drawing a cow on the drawing board and it was eating loads of grass. Now, loads of grass means what? Lot of grass. You know, now it's rainy season. When it's rainy season, you will find on the ground loads of grass. Yes, no? Lot of grass. So, cow is eating lot of grass. Then king says, loads of grass? I can't see any grass here. Can you see any grass here? No. So king also cannot see any grass there. So king is asking, I can't see any grass here. Raman says, that's because the cow ate it up. Raman is telling that, oh, no, you cannot see the grass here because the cow has eaten all the grass here. King says, and where's the cow? Then king is asking if grass is not there because cow ate it up. Then where is the cow? Then Raman says, after eating up all the grass, the cow walked away. Your Majesty, and see, Raman is very clever and very funny, stating that cow ate up all the grass and walk away. Then king really start laughing. Ha ha ha, Raman, you always make me laugh. And king is also very happy that Raman is making king to laugh, because a funny explanation given by the Raman that there is nothing on the drawing board because cow came, ate up all the grass and went away, walk away. So there is nothing on the drawing board. Can't stop laughing, no? Really, the story was very funny. And in this story, we have seen that how Tenali Raman makes the king to laugh. Yes or no? So, really, it was very funny. I know you all are laughing with this. Okay, now listen carefully. What you have to do today? Today, you have to read this lesson carefully, and whatever hard words are there, I told you, I have underlined also. So, all these hard words you have to write 2 times in your English notebook properly in beautiful handwriting, as Always I'm telling you that I want your handwriting beautiful. I hope my all students are writing in a beautiful handwriting. I will understand this when I will see your notebooks. Okay, so you write down these hard words 2 times in your English notebook. Tomorrow we will see question answers on this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.